Hey everyone and welcome back to Second Finance. In this video I'll be teaching you guys 4 ways to make $10,000 a month in 2023. One needs to assess their current financial situation, determine monthly expenses, monetize skills and expertise, look for opportunities to earn passive income, have a solid plan, set achievable goals, and be willing to put in the effort. Success takes hard work, dedication, and patience, but with a clear plan, a positive attitude, and persistence, it's possible to reach the financial goal. The first way to make $10,000 per month is to invest in the stock market. Research companies, consider market trends, and invest in stocks that have the potential for growth. It's important to diversify your portfolio and not put all your money into one stock. Regularly monitoring your investments and making informed decisions can lead to significant returns over time. Additionally, real estate investing, renting out a property, or flipping houses can also be lucrative sources of passive income. Consider your financial goals and do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. Additionally, you can also make money through passive income streams such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or even creating and selling digital products such as e-books or courses. Having multiple streams of passive income can provide a steady source of income and help to reach your financial goals faster. It's also important to keep an emergency fund for unexpected expenses and to have a long-term financial plan in place. Finally, reducing expenses, creating a budget, and being mindful of spending can also help to increase your savings and reach your financial goals. Another way is making a YouTube channel. It can be a great way to make money online. To be successful, it's important to pick a niche that you're knowledgeable about and passionate about, and to create engaging and informative content that appeals to your target audience. As your blog or channel grows, you can monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, as well as by offering premium content or services. It's also important to be patient and persistent, as building a following and monetizing a blog or channel can take time. You'll need to invest time and effort into promoting your content, engaging with your audience, and growing your platform. However, with hard work and dedication, you can build a successful blog or channel and generate a significant income stream. Another way to use your extra space to make money is by renting out a parking space or storage unit. If you live in a densely populated area with limited parking options, you can rent out your driveway or garage. On the other hand, if you have extra space in your basement or attic, you can rent it out as storage space for people in your community. It's also important to keep in mind the insurance and liability implications of renting out a space. Make sure you have proper insurance coverage in case of any accidents or incidents. By taking the necessary precautions, renting out space can be a low-maintenance and profitable way to make extra income. I'm glad I could provide some information on ways to make money. Remember that success requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Also, it's important to have realistic expectations and not to get discouraged if your results are not immediate. Building wealth takes time, so stay focused on your goals, keep learning, and stay disciplined in your approach. Good luck on your financial journey.